science lesson. Okay, as usual, you will need your textbook, and I will give an announcement that this is the last day for you to use this textbook, because next week you will have another theme. Are you ready for that?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. And because today is our last day, Miss Kika already prepared an activity that is really simple, so you can do that in your home, okay? But before that, I have a friend, and she will help me to review what we have learned during these 3 weeks. Okay, Miss Light Ray, and please come forward. Hi. Okay, so I'm not. Okay. Oopsie. Okay, so I'm no longer Miss Kika. You can call me Light Ray K, and she is
Light Ray Ann.
yay. Okay, so we're here to help you to review what you have learned during these 3 weeks. Yes. Okay, so wait a minute. Do you guys know what it is?
Marker.
Yeah, but do you know why you can know that this is a marker? Do you know why?
How do you know that this is a
A
marker?
marker.
Because you can see it.
It's actually because of us. Why? How come? Because, can you see something, or can you see an object in a very dark room without any light in it?
I don't think so.
I don't think so. So to see something, you will need us, because we will reflect the object go through to your retina. What is retina? Retina is a place in your eyes to absorb the reflection of an object. Mhm. And actually, my friend,
Yes.
bless you, Miss Lauren.
Thank you. What we are going to do right
We
now?
have a mission.
Oh wow.
Miss Kika asked us to reflect the whiteboard to the fifth grader's retina. Okay, so whiteboard is over here, and the fifth grader's retina is over there. Miss Lauren, can you see that?
The small
one?
white. Oh. This one
Yeah.
is your retina. Okay?
Go back, go back, go back. Okay, and as you can see here, light rays and
Yes, what's that?
we're not only just travel through the air, but we also have to travel through the glass. Can you see that?
Yes.
Okay, but it's a mission, so let's do it.
Okay, let's do it
Okay,
together.
let's make it fast.
Okay, let's
Okay.
do it.
Woo! Oh, oops, oops, oops. Oh, the glass is so different with the air.
We walk like so slow.
Yeah, the air is easier for us to go,
So,
right?
but why our path become like this? Why are we bent?
Okay, and the glass is kind of solid, so it makes us difficult to go, right?
Oh yeah.
Okay, go, go, it's there. Okay, we can go. Yay! Mission
Complete.
Okay,
So, light ray K, why our path is like this?
oh yeah.
And I know that we are going to go straight, but why we are go like on the other direction?
Oh, we're bending.
Yes.
Do you know what That's normal actually.
Glad to know that.
Do you know why it's normal? Because actually when us light rays go travel to two different materials, we will bending just like what we did before. We travel through the air and the glass
And
and the air again. So it's basically two different materials. So it's kind of normal for us if we are bending. Like that. Oh yeah. Let's go to the whiteboard because we already complete the mission. So now you can see the whiteboard, right?
whoops.
Okay. Okay, so actually this is how we travel for. So this is my friend Light Ray Ann and this is me, Light Ray K. So we were going straight, but when we go to the glass, like we entered the glass, we were bending, and this is the reflection. And if we draw a parallel line on our reflection, there will be angles over here. And the name of the angles is angle of incident. This is exactly what we have learned in our first week. Okay, and go back to Light Ray K and Light Ray Ann. Mhm. Ta-da! Okay, so guys, I want to ask you, how many lenses that you have learned? Sorry? Okay, someone said 2, someone said 5, someone said 7. Oh, okay, but basically, how many kind of lens that we
Already
learned?
learned 3 lenses.
3 lenses. The first one is
It's convex.
it's convex. The second one is
Flat.
flat, and the last one is
Concave.
concave. So convex is like this,
Like a heel.
like a hill, and then how about flat?
Flat is like this.
Flat is like this,
And concave.
concave is like this. Okay? Okay. And Miss Lauren, can you move a little bit backward? Can you see this? Highlight rays. And oopsie, it's not sticky anymore. Okay. So, there is a lens over here. Do you know what is the name of this lens, Miss? Light rays and?
If I see the lens from here, I can tell that this is convex.
Oh yeah, this is convex because if we see from here, it looks like this,
like a heel.
like a heel for us. Okay, light rays and?
Okay, let's see how it works.
Let's see how it works. What happened with us if we pass through this lens? Okay?
So let's go like in 3,
3, 2, 1, go. Oh! We are converging. We are
Yeah.
converging. We come together to
one point.
one point here, and the name of the point?
Do you still remember the name of the point? Yes,
It's
that's
focal point. Good job. Okay, and I see another lens over there. Let's try it. Let's try it. Let's try it. Okay, so the previous one is convex because it looks like a hill.
Yes, it's
but
like
what
a hill.
happened? But how about this lens? Like
I
this
can
lens.
see from here and I can tell that it is concave.
Concave because it looks like this
it
from
looks
here.
like- yeah.
Okay, now if concave lens makes us converging.
Convex lens.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Convex lens makes us converging. But what happened with this lens?
Concave. So I think it's opposite with
With
the
the
concave.
convex.
Okay. So maybe if convex we come together, and how about this one? So let's do it, Miss Kika.
Okay, let's raise K.
Yeah, let's do it. K.
Okay.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go! Oh, we are diverging. We're separated.
Yeah.
Okay.
We spread out.
Okay, now I'm back. I'm Miss Kika. I'll give you explanation about this. Come, 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 come. Okay, so guys, before my friend, light race K and light race N, both of them already showed you about the difference between the convex lens and the concave lens. Okay, I'm gonna make it closer for you. Okay, the first one is convex lens. If we see from the light rays, from the coming light rays over here, it looks like a hill, right? That's why we call it convex lens. And what happened with the light rays if they travel through the convex lens? Good job.
Converging.
Converging. Okay, what does converging means? Okay, thank you. They come together to one point. So let's start from the middle. It will be still like this because it's in the middle. Because it's in the middle. How about this? It is go like this. Okay, it's converging. I know. Thank you. So it goes like this. How about this one?
It's converging also.
Okay, and they come together to one point. And what is the name of this point again?
Blah 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 point.
Okay, it starts with F. Okay, the next letter is O. How about the next one?
C.
Okay, good job. It's focal point. Good job. So, the most important part here is convex lens. It is a lens that has a hill shape like this. It makes all the light rays that go through this lens converging, which just means that they go to one point. They come together to one point, to the focal point. Is it clear for this?
Yes.
Okay, next let's go to the second lens. Just like before, my friend light ray K and light ray N, both of them, they already, oopsie, we have a friend here. Oh, she's gone. Okay, concave lens. Basically, concave and convex and concave are opposite. So, if the convex lens look like the hill like this, concave is like the cave. It's like inward, like this. It's the opposite, yeah. And again, if the convex lens is converging, how about the concave lens? It's the opposite. The opposite of diverging, oopsie. The opposite of converging is
Diverging.
diverging. I just said it before.
Miss Kika just said it.
Diverging. Okay. But what does diverging means? If converging means they come together to one point, how about diverging? Sorry?
Spread up.
Oh, it's spread up. So, like this, and like this. Is it correct? Okay, so it's
Yeah.
like this,
like that.
like that. Okay, but oh yeah, we forgot we still have one lens. Yeah, Miss. Okay, let me take the eraser for a while. I'm back. Okay, I'm going to erase this. Bye bye, concave lens. Okay, still we have light rays, and the lens is normal or flat. What do you think, guys? What will happen with the light rays when they go through the flat lens? Do they converging? Do they diverging? Oh, okay. So they will
Go.
okay. They will go just parallel like this. Okay, so is it clear for the difference between convex lens and then concave lens, flat lens, and what will happen when the light rays travel through that lens, those lens? Okay,
Miss
and
Tika, can you write down the name of like
oh yeah,
the
sorry, this
I mean the
is
name of the yes, and also
okay. Thank you, Miss Linda. Flat lens.
and what happened after the light rays go through the flat lens.
You just go parallel.
Double L. Okay.
Okay, next. In the opening, Miss Kika promised you that I prepared an activity that is simple for you, so all of you can do that in your house. Okay? Wait a second. I'll take the materials. Ta-da! Oh, wait. While you are waiting for me, you can open your book, your TOPS book, page 10. So it's activity 10 that is called IC. Okay, you can open it. I'll give you time to open your book. Sorry, Miss Linda.
It's okay. It's okay.
Should I move here, Miss?
Oh, that's fine.
I think it's okay. Let's just move there, so it will be easier.
So I will give you like a quick tour to our new class.
Yay! Hi. Okay, have you opened your book? Page 10, activity 10, that has title I see. Okay. And to do this experiment, you don't need any lens. Okay, so it's kind of easy for you. What you should prepare is the ruler, but I think you can use anything in your house that has like 1 meters long. It can be your table maybe, or it can be any stick, your broom maybe. Okay, and then you will need a paper tape, and then scissor. It's easy to find. And then you will need a paper clip. And the last one, it's the supplementary cutout, which is you can find it in your book.
On the supplementary part, on the supplementary page.
Here, you will need this page. It's written activity 10. This page, and then you will need 3 cutouts actually. And then on the last page, I think, here still activity 10. There are 2 more activity 10s, and then you can cut both of these pictures too. Okay. Now I will show you the step how to do this experiment. Yeah. So first you can prepare your 1 meters things.
Ruler.
It can be a ruler, it can be anything. And then you will need your paper tape. And in one edge of this object of the ruler, you can put the masking tape, but the sticky side is it's on the outside. So it's like this. The sticky part is on the outside. Oh. Okay, it's enough, I think. Sticky, 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 sticky. Okay. The next one, you will need the paper clip. You can use this size of paper clip. It's like, how many centimeters? Let me see that. Oh, it's like 5 centimeters paper clip. This one, the metal one. And then you can open it like this. You can do this to your paper clip.
It's similar when you do the elevator.
Oh, really?
Elevator up, yes.
Okay, so you will have the longer part, and the shorter part, like this. And then you can put this, the longer part, to lay down over here. So it's like a letter L. Like this, 90 degrees right angle. And then you will need another paper tape to cover it. Just make sure that our paper clip stick on the wooden ruler like this. But the sticky tape is in the inside. Okay. Like this. Simple? It's pretty simple. And then next, you will need this cutout. This it contains like a lot of words inside it.
It's so small, yeah.
Yeah, it's so small. Well, actually, today's objective, today's goal is we're going to test our eyes. Okay, next, I think you will need a clear tape, and then you can tape it like this. Maybe I can use them like this. Just make sure that this is tape on it.
So, yeah. Okay.
Okay. Next, we will cover one of our eye with this paper eye. So we will make this, stick it, and so I'll be look like a pirate after this. Okay, like this.
It's Pirate Kika.
Yeah. Not like Ray K anymore. Okay, I'm gonna take it off for a while because I still have to explain the last thing for you. So the last thing is this cutout. This cutout named Vision Graph. So you will do your experiment first, and then after you did your experiment, you can write the result of your experiment on this paper. Okay, I'll tape it on the blackboard. Oopsie. On the blackboard. So this is how we do the game. Take the
Eye patch.
Okay, so we're gonna test our eye. Okay, I choose this one. Okay, and then let's start from 1 centimeters distance.
1
Yeah?
meters.
Oh yeah, 100 centimeters or 1 meters distance, which is this far, and then try to read the words. Well, I cannot read anything. This is too far. Okay. So, wait. I need to take the marker. So, Miss Linda, can you move closer to this graph? Okay. So, as you can see here, distance from eye. So the first experiment, I did that on 100 centimeters distance, which is 1 meters. And then this is the number of words you can read. How many words that I can read? 0. So this is 0 at 100 distance. So I'll put here. And then distance from our eye is 100 centimeters, and words you can read 0. Okay, next. Put it back, and then let's move to 95 first. Oh, I can read one word. It's key. Key and some. Key, some, land. Is it correct? Key, some, land.
Hold on.
Yeah. Is it correct,
It's like
Miss?
the top,
Yeah.
top part, right?
Yeah.
Miss?
Am I correct?
Yes.
Okay, so how many words that I can read before?
Key, some, and lens. So
that's
it's
three.
3.
3, okay. Here is 90 centimeters distance, but I did before is 95 centimeters, right? So it's in the middle. So it's in the middle between 90 and 100. So it's here, but I can read 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So I'm gonna do over here, and 95 centimeters. I can read 3 words. Okay, let's try from here. 50 centimeters, yeah, but actually you have plenty of time to do this, so you can do this from 100 to 95 to 90 to 85 to 80 to 75 until 0 centimeters. Okay, but Miss Ika, I'm just going to do this at 50 centimeters distance. Okay, 50 centimeters, it's over here.
It's like right in the middle, yeah,
Okay.
Miss.
And then, oopsie, I forget the. Okay, 50. I can read key, some, land, at any. What's that for? How to cut cow, mice, shitty cup, milk, cart, wild, sky, big, pat, wig, pop, hot, red, seed, bomb, oat, let. Only that. How many words that I can read before me? Did you count it? I think it's like. Okay, let's do this. I said before is key, some, land,
lands.
add, any, cut, How, it's 7. Fur, I didn't say fur. So cow, mice, sheep, pen, tea, cup, cart, sky, pig, pat, oat, lad, seed, red, hot.
Okay.
So it's 17 words. So at 50 centimeters distance from I can read 17. So it's here. 17. Like that. Okay? So is it clear for today's experiment, guys? Okay. Because Misika already choose the easiest experiment for you with the easiest tools or easiest materials. I hope you can do this experiment in your house today. Okay, and let Miss Kika, Miss Linda, and Miss Lauren knows how many words you can read in 100 distance from I. Or maybe who
For
knows that maybe you can read like 20 words in 70 distance 70 centimeters distance. Who knows, right? Okay, so after this will be a language art with Miss Lauren. Miss Lauren, are you ready for this?
Yes.
Okay, so do you want to use this spot or do you want to use that spot? Okay, but before that, we will give you like 30-second breaks to drink, to eat something, or to go to the toilet. Okay? 30 seconds. Start from now. You go. Okay, time.
Hi kids, have you back? Or is it like
yeah, it's
Black
backlight.
have you back here? Hi, it's me again, and it's now our turn to take a language art session. So, do you remember what Miss Linda teach you last Monday or last Tuesday? I think, yeah, Tuesday.
Thursday.
Oh, Thursday.
Oh no, it's
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Tuesday. So apparently, Miss Linda stole Marco Polo's air ticket. So you learn the details of the train ticket, the gate, the flight number, his seat, his class. So apparently, you already know everything about Marco Polo's flight ticket. So, what do you think? What technique did you use to find the details of Marco Polo's flight ticket? Because you saw for the details. So the technique that you're using is scanning. Okay? So here, I have a betadine packaging. Do you know this? What is this called? This is a barcode. You can see it here. And you also know a QR code that you have already used during the living book. Am I right?
Yes.
And when you see the QR code, they're calling like scan me, scan me. What do you think scanning is? So scanning means you have to look like fast, but also to look at the details. If you're scanning a QR code, so you have to see, the specific details, the specific curve, the specific box in the QR code. So it means that scanning is looking for the details. What is the difference between skimming and scanning? Skimming is also a technique, a quick reading technique, but skimming looks for general information, the main ideas of something. If you look at this and you have to skim this, you will say that this is airplane ticket, right? But if you have to scan this, you will focus to the details, the flight number, the seat number, and everything else. So now I want to ask you to join me to scan not airplane ticket or schedule, but here we will scan an article. You can find the article in your worksheet. Okay? So, why is scanning is important to you? Because later academic context will have you much to read like this. This is a little bit a lot, right? And when scanning, you will be looking for keywords or phrases. That's why in your daily 5, I want you to do like find the words game. So you have to, as fast as you can, you find a specific words. Now, this will be especially easy to find if there are names. For example, I'm looking for the word earth because earth has a capital E in front of the words. So you can use your index finger, your finger, to like start searching the words. And it's easier for you for names because earth, the E is in the capital letter. Okay, so you have to open your worksheet, and I have prepared for you like a question, true or false question, and we will do it together. Okay, so the tips is that you don't need to read every word in each passage because it's like a lot, right? So what you have to do is you read the statement below the article text, and you find the keywords. For example, number 1, people occasionally call Venus as the sister planet to Earth. So, what is the keywords? Okay, I assume that the keyword is Venus or sister planet. So you find in the article which paragraphs is Venus is. So Venus is in the first paragraph. This one. So this one, from your skimming technique, the main idea is Venus, right? And then you have to find the word sister planet. Like you are scanning your barcode or scanning QR code. Like this. You have to find it, sister planet. Okay. Oh, here they are. This is sister planet. And what you have to do is read the whole statement. Because you know that this paragraph is Venus, so it refers to Venus. So Venus is sometimes referred to as the sister planet to Earth. So you have to look again to your question, the true or false question. People occasionally call Venus as the sister planet to Earth. Is it true? Yes, it's true. The Venus is the sister planet to Earth. So what you have to do is quick to look the keywords and then try to read the whole sentence. So you don't have to read from here, but only this statement, this specific statement. Okay? So let's jump to number 2. Venus is referred to Roman goddess of family, home, and earth. So still in the paragraphs of Venus, and we should seek for Roman goddess. Okay? We stop here and we start here again, yeah. You don't have to read, but you have to find the letter. Oh, this one has the word the Roman goddess. So we read the whole sentence. The planet is named for Venus, the Roman goddess of love and beauty. Wow. So this is it includes the words of the Roman goddess, but of love and beauty. So you have to answer the question number 2. Venus is referred to Roman goddess of family, home, and heart. So is it true? It's false because the Venus is from the Roman goddess of love and beauty. Do you understand now?
Yes.
Okay, so I think I want to go to number 5. You see the question? Olympus Mons is the second largest mountain in the solar system. This is another example, and it's an easy example because Olympus Mons has the capital letter. It is a name. So we will do like quick reading again. Not quick reading, but quick searching. Nah, this is very obvious. I mean. This one we can find Olympus Mons. And now we have to read the whole sentence. Olympus Mons is the largest mountain in the solar system and it is found on Mars. So, for number 5, is it the second largest? Is it true that the Olympus is the second largest? No, it's false because Olympus Mons is the largest mountain in the solar system. Okay, so now you have like 7 questions for you to do it by yourself. So remember, what you have to do for scanning is you have to, as fast as possible, to find the words or the keywords from the statement, or maybe for the thing that you really want to know. For example, in your the very example is that if you're opening your dictionary and you want to find the word what? Can you make it an example, Miss Dinga?
Telescope.
Telescope. You want to find the word telescope, and you go find, and you have to know the pattern if you read the dictionary, right? You have to open the section T to find the word telescope. So I think it's no different if you also read the article text. Okay, so make sure you do the other question. You still have number 3, 4, and 6 until number 10. Okay, Miss Kika,
Yeah.
I think I'm finished with my session.
Okay.
Do you think? Do you want to announce something?
Okay. So, how many of you that are still watching this live streaming? Only one. Oh.
Who are you?
I think it's Kikit
Hi, Kiki.
or Fitzel
Hi, Pixel.
or
Ben
Ben.
Hi, Ben.
or Reinhardt.
Hey, Reinhardt.
Marvel.
Calvin.
I think it's Calvin or Lydia or Mafo.
Maybe. Okay. Okay, so actually today it's kind of sad for us because someone will leave. Someone is leaving.
Is that you?
Hi.
Bye, Miss Kika. No.
Okay, so today's Miss Ninda's last day.
Miss Linda?
Today's
Who's Miss
last day.
Ninda?
I'm surprised too, guys.
Okay, so maybe when you go back to school, you're not gonna see her anymore. So after this, when I upload this video, you can give comment or anything. I'll make sure that Miss Linda reply your message. I'll make sure. Okay? And Miss Linda, you have to say something.
Yeah.
Ah.
Get back.
Yeah, okay.
Oh my.
Please welcome.
Here is
kids.
Miss Linda.
Well, this is my last time. Oh no, my last day here in jungle school, and I'm sad because I cannot say a proper goodbye to you. And but I wanna say thank you for being a good kids, a good friends, and a good learner. And thank you for showing me that like you always learn without further. So I hope that I can see you, and I hope that you can learn better, and you can learn effectively in this pandemic. And I hope that you stay healthy and happy.
Aww. From here, let's ini buka ya.
Yeah.
Satu, dua. Yeah, we really hope that a miracle happen.
So that-
so that there are 3 teachers in third grade. In third grade, fifth grade.
Do you want 3 teachers?
Yes, yes, yes. You can comment as much as you can.
You can be-
So Miss Rio will see that.
Tell me that to Miss Linda. Miss Linda, you don't have to go.
Or you can be the next teacher. Remember that like you mentioned something that you will be a teacher, like
Some of
student
you.
teacher. Yeah, some of you. So
Okay, so bye kids.
Bye bye.
Oops. Okay.